All right, so let me apologize for whatever it is in my throat. So if you hear me coughing, I'll be fine soon. All right, we continue. It was in our trending topics on Saturday. Red money is on its way out the door. We give economist Mr. Peter John Gordon a penny for his thoughts. Well, that's a nice segue. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So the red money is?
1 cent, 10 cents, and 25 cents.
And this, it don't know, or it don't officially done yet?
Not yet, but it will.
So can I walk into a business now, they won't accept it?
They will. The Bank of Jamaica will take them out of circulation. It has to be gazetted first, and they'll give further information.
What does that mean when you say it has to be gazetted?
Become official. There's something called a gazette.
Right.
Which, when a law, something becomes law, it's get published in this official government publication.
Okay. So
and then over time, the Bank of Jamaica will withdraw them. However, the Bank of Jamaica has said that if you show up at any time with these coins, they will exchange them for you at face value. So if you brought, $100 worth of coins 2 years from now or 3 years from now, they will give you the equivalent.
What is it in the consumer behavior that led to the demonetizing of this?
Okay, probably the best way to think
red money.
Probably the best way to think about this. In 1976, the cost of a patty was 50 cents. By the time we got to 2000, the cost of a patty was $20. By the time we got to 2011, it was $100, and today it's $140. So you could say that the price of patties have been going up. An alternative way of looking at that is to say that the value of money has been falling. And so, over time, the monetary authorities had to introduce higher denominations because it was just too clumsy to be walking with all of that money. But equally so, the smaller denominations now basically became useless. I mean, there's nothing you can buy for a cent. Nothing you can buy for 25 cents or 10 cents. They're used mainly to make change or to make up. I mean, sometimes you get these bills when you go to the cash register of some cents, but that's usually because we have a very strange GCT rate, 16.5%. So when you do that kind of calculations, you get
49 cents.
Yeah.
So can't we just change GCT to 10%?
Well, there's always an argument for having the rate such that things come out nice and
even.
And even. I mean,
so what
transaction
What
costs.
happens then if I wanted to present to a store my red money? Can they legally turn away my money? Because we know that happens now. People say, I'm going to take their money.
At the moment, no, because it's still legal tender. But at some point, it will stop being legal tender. Legal tender simply means that that is the official currency of the country. And by law, it's supposed to be accepted. But usually with legal tender, though, there is a limit. You can't have a dispute with somebody. The courts order you to pay them $1 million, and you decide to pay them all in 1 cent coins.
Oh, shucks, and I've been collecting all these 1 cent coins to go right here
can't you do that?
Tomorrow.
Usually there's a limit as to how much coins would be accepted.
But isn't that a contradiction if you say it's legal tender?
Yeah, up to a certain limit, because there's transportability. You don't want to have to get a Brinks truck to take home.
Right.
This is stated in law?
Usually in most places. I'm Jamaican law.
Right.
Okay. So we're not going to lose or gain from this?
No, it's just that these, two reasons were given for withdrawing. One is that hardly anybody's using them again. And we, I mean, by the way, have you ever noticed that you see more, why you see so much red money on the road and you don't see $100 bills? Is it?
Well, I've been picking up the red money, but it's true. People, I walk and I make sure myself, I pick it up, it's legal tender, we can go to BOJ and exchange it. But you're right, obviously people aren't using it.
People aren't using it.
And they're throwing it away.
And they're throwing it away. And the Bank of Jamaica redeems money from time to time. And the amount of money that comes back gives them a sense of how much is being used. So it just becomes too clumsy to walk around with your wallet, or it just wearing out your pants pocket, and
I also found it interesting, and this could be one of the reasons, that it cost $1.73 to make a 1 cent coin.
Yes, that's the other reason, that it's just not cost effective.
Yeah.
The BOJ has pointed out, though, that the cost of making a $1 coin is more than $1, but they'll keep that one. But they're going to be looking for a cheaper way of manufacturing this coin.
I wonder if we could use some recycled material and make our coins the way we, you know what I'm saying? That would be some serious innovation right there. The way we mash up our society with the garbage. So we're going to withdraw these coins. Is there a prediction as to when that will?
No, the Bank of Jamaica in their statement said that they will let us know and they'll give notice when they've decided.
I think I read somewhere that they said, what, this is 2018 or something like that?
I think that's
or
the
by
target.
2019,
that's the target time.
They say you won't be able to use it as legal tender.
But I also, somebody had suggested that maybe people could collect it with charities. So using, using charities to collect the coins and then go into BOJ and exchange it for face value.
In fact, when you go to many stores, cashiers, you have little tins, and many times when people get,
they just drop it.
They drop it there because it's just, they don't want to walk around with it.
Well, in case you don't have any to drop, so I just...
Thank you very much.
So you just have the money, so big one?
I'll give you two.
Two? Thank you. Which ones are these? The one with the garbage?
25 cents.
25.
This is 25 cents.
Yes. So who's on the Bogle is on the 10? Is it Bogle on the 10? Who's on the... What does a 1 cent look like?
This is the right excellent Marcus Garvey.
Yeah, this is a 25.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, I am collecting, so drop it off at TVJ. You want me to hold yours for you?
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Well ready for So anything else you want to share with us about this? I mean, basically, we're not going to be printing anymore.
No.
And
it's just going to make life easier. What's going to happen if you get these kind of very strange, 49 cents, you'll round that down, but if it comes to 51 cents, you round it up. I mean, it really, when a merchant is pricing is good, nobody prices, $10.54. They already do that. It's usually because of the taxes that you get these strange numbers.
Thanks for coming, sir.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you so much and have a great day.
Thank you. Same to you.
The economist, Mr. Peter John Gordon. That's the 1 cent we're looking at right there.
That's how the one?
Yeah.
That's the old? Is that how the current one looks?
That's the old one.
No, man, that's...
I think that's the current one, yeah.
Really?
But you just haven't seen it for such a long time.
Yeah, man.
Hey, what is that on it? The Aki?
Yeah.
That's the Aki?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sit with us for a little while longer.
Yeah, just relax.
As we go for the break. Soon come.
Stay a while.